BluntCut MetalWorks, February 5th, 2017. I was doing heat treat for stainless, but I got distracted, so I have to test out this 52-100 steel. The thickness is 180,000.18, and the blade length is 10.75 inch long, and a sharpened tube 15 degree precise, and with the 15,000 inch thick right there, the bevel shoulder behind the edge thickness, and the edge is 65 Rockwell. Up out here is 64, back in here is 63, and the tang here is softer. And so anyway, I sharpened, for a large knife, it's thick enough for chopping, but it's considered a bit of a very large knife, and I sharpened maybe too sharp, but anyway, and so it's not perfect right now, but again, because it's a large knife, and also because of really grind like this, so binding is going to be an issue if you penetrate too deep. The technique is required. Anyway, this is pressed 2x4, and the end here have a little staple that is still there, so I will chop slightly. I got this 2x4 angle like this, so I can chop. So and basically with this thin, easy to ripple. In other words, buckle the edge. So, but anyway. Okay, I think that I cleared the staple here. I'm going to hit as hard as I can here. That is a 2x4. Okay. This is a piece of oak, solid oak. Gotta get wet. This is also solid oak here. Let's get. We gotta enter a little bit so there's some steering. This is twisty pine. As I say, binding is an issue. It's a large knife, and you can do work. I guess you don't have to chop as hard and have the same penetration. That's something. But if you have with more of a thicker, wedgy chopper, or an axe like, and there's some sort of a piece, some sort of rosewood, so it's hard. It's rosewood, and so I'm looking for a side of damage. If the edge buckle, that means it's too thin, that's all. You shouldn't chop like, say, rosewood, but it's about finding down if whether the toughness or the strength is enough. If the edge not, say, soft in the lower Rockwell, it will buckle. It roll, fold, also the problem. In this case, that was vibrating in my hand. I don't have full use of my left arm, so anyway, I've got this cool bamboo. I would hate to waste it, but you can see it's black. Really old. And well, this is 15 degrees precise. I mean, this is a lot of pocket knife. Actually have very thick behind the edge too, but too bad. Alright, so that is the bamboo. Well, when you, again, this last night, but when you say, well, you need to do some grilling, and what? And this is cooked bone, this is pork. Again, expect some, if they're damaged, we expect some level, because again, this is a very thin edge here. Oops, this is the sharp and everything. So I go into the hard end of the bone right now. So how you can see the bone behave there. You have to come in and steer it move around because it's shattering. So if the edge is not, say, resilient or strong, there's going to be a problem. And we can close up on the house. Kind, thin, and supposed to be fragile again for soft, clear stuff. But I go through pretty much everything. I need to go through and let's look at the phone book paper. That there is a tree. So you can see it's not catching anything around. Well, I bet they did have something there. But there was when I earlier on, actually I have some tiny little raw area there, but then no chip involved. Yeah, if you do it too much lateral, you're going to buckle the edge. And this would be, I would add some sort of looking for some rippling or buckle or chip. This is Kumaru, and the junker hardness is some above 3,000. In other words, for the ball bearing, half-inch ball bearing to penetrate in. Anyway, I'm going to get, this is very sharp, so that I'm still sharp. So it's really hard wood, and if talking about, you need something very supposed to be very sturdy, and so, and I was chopping there. I'll do a quick test. There's something there. You can, something right here. Maybe it's just dirty. All right, now we'll quick test and we're done. Definitely noisy and it doesn't catch. So you can see this block there. There's definitely some roll. I can feel it. But the camera wise, I don't think you can see it. But thanks for watching.